Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open with a gap up and we can see that gold is going up again. So on Saturday, we discuss about many levels. So we also discuss about a high risk selling opportunity around 289394 area. And market just opened there with a gap up and market filled the gap immediately because we know it, market doesn't like gaps. Then gold made a low around 2879 and since then gold is trying to go up. So right now gold is standing around 2900. And if we look at the overall trend of the market, we can clearly see gold is still very much bullish. Whatever we witnessed on Friday was just a technical correction. So as we discussed on Saturday that for any trend reversal, we need a solid fundamental reason. So it was just a technical correction, it seems right now. Because if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold gains as investors eye Trump tariff moves. Gold price edged higher on Monday after falling more than 1% in the previous session as market participants awaited more insights on US President Donald Trump's reciprocal tariff plans, which could heighten global trade tensions. Means any news from the US President Donald Trump's office will make gold fly again. So guys, you need to be careful, and still we don't have any solid fundamental reason that will bring a trend reversal on the chart of gold. So whatever we witness on Friday seems to be just a technical correction, and technical corrections are temporary. Okay. So the trading opportunities that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. So my dear friends, if you guys have watched the video of Saturday, then you guys know that where are the trading opportunities and those levels are still very much valid. For example, we also discussed about the daily chart. We also discussed the daily chart was showing a potential of a trend reversal, but we also discussed at the same time that without any news, there cannot be a trend reversal. And we have seen gold betraying us time many times, isn't it? We have seen around 7 to 8 times in the last 2 months, 2, 3 months, where gold was showing on a daily and weekly chart that yes, I'm going down, but immediately on the next the gold goes up again. So the candlestick patterns are not at all reliable in this situation. So let's stick to our plan and let's trade around the levels. So again, I'm repeating my dear friends. Okay, if you guys have any ongoing buy right now, okay, if you guys have any ongoing buy, you can continue with a buy position. If you have exited from the buy because of the fall here, okay, you've done a good job. You can wait for 2, 3 more days, okay, so that you get a clarity about the trend of the market. Okay, so if you're a position trader, if you're a swing trader and looking for a fresh position, okay, then I think it will be better for you to wait for 2, 3 days because many of you have already exited. Okay, and we already had a quite a run. And those who are looking for fresh position as a day trader, okay, I will say that if you don't want to take much risk right now, then you wait till the US session. US session will give us more clarity about the next direction of the market, and it will be better and safer also. Because for the market to continue the downside, okay, market will have to form a lower low. Try to understand the point here. See, market was forming higher highs and higher lows previously, and market showed good amount of selling pressure on Friday. So to continue the downside, whether it's a technical correction, trend reversal, doesn't matter. Okay, so if market wants to go down, then it will have to form another lower low. And if market forms a lower low, day traders, okay, not swing traders, not position day traders, you can look for a buy around 2866, 2864, because we can expect the market to bounce like this. Okay, and the second bounce will be around 2852, 2850. So these are the two levels where you can still look for a buy position as a day trader. Why only as a day trader? Because see, if market bounces also, then market will be forming a lower low. Okay, if any news comes out, then you can jump as a position trader, swing trader again, because if any news comes out and gold starts flying, that trend will continue for the next couple of days and weeks. But if market bounces from a support without any news, then it will just continue for a couple of hours only. So this is the impact of news, or you can say that news are the backbone of any chart. Okay, so here if you see market coming down, then it will be a extension continuation of the technical correction. So it will be better for you to buy as a day trader only if market takes support. 286628, 2864 area, and then 2852 to 2850, because market will be forming lower lows. Okay, and on Saturday we also discussed other opportunities like selling around 2896, 2909. These opportunities are still very much valid, but as I said on Saturday also, it will be very high risk. Why it will be very high risk? Because we cannot deny that the overall trend of the market is still super bullish, not only bullish, super bullish. So if you go for a sell around 2916, 2909, it will be high risk. As a scalper, you can look for 40 to 50 pips, but do not take a sell and sit on it, because if you think that you can be on a sell position for the next couple of days, then that can be a very suicidal, dangerous decision, because there is no confirmation about the trend reversal yet, no news about the trend reversal yet. Okay, so if you see then gold is showing price rejection from above around 2916, 2909, you can go for a sell. Okay, 40-50 pips, that's it. After 40-50 pips you need to be cautious, because for example, you will see small candles, okay, small red candles going and market going down. Okay, and suddenly you will see that market has formed a big green candle and market has engulfed all the previous 2-3 candles. So this is very common, okay, when you go against the trend of the market, because when market falls, for example in a bullish market, when market falls and we are in a sell position, to cover a distance of 40-50 pips, market will form around 2-3 candles. But when market will be going up again in one candle, it will wash away all the previous red candles. So it's always better and safer to be on the buy side only in case of an uptrend market. So let me repeat again. So my dear friends, after market opening, okay, we can see that gold is trying to go up again. So it seems that whatever we witnessed on Friday was just a technical correction. And if you look at the market sentiment also, there is no news about trend reversal, and without any proper news, there cannot be a trend reversal. So if you have any buy right now, you can hold your buy, because further upside is possible. If gold breaks this particular low around 2875, you can exit below it. Okay. And on the other hand, okay, if you're looking for new positional trade, swing trade, I think it will be better for you to wait for next 2-3 days so that you get more clarity. Clear? And whatever we have in front of us, okay, or the levels, those are good for day trades only, because if market continues the downside, it will just be a technical correction. For example, we can look for a buy around 286664 area. We can look for buy around 285250 area. So these are for day traders only, because market will be forming lower lows here. Okay, and I forgot to mention one more opportunity. If gold breaks 2875, yeah, if gold breaks 2875 during the US session with big green, a big red candle, we can also look for a sell below this area as well. Okay, below the previous low. But now we can see gold is trying to take support, and to be honest, personally, yes, my stop loss was hit on Friday, but still I'm convinced that the market has further potential to go up. And as we have already discussed on Saturday a couple of minutes ago, that yes, we do have some selling opportunities around 2916, 2909, but overall the trend of the market is still bullish, so taking a sell is high risk. If you are a scalper, experienced scalper, then you can look for 40 to 50 pips, otherwise just avoid. And right now I think it will be better for us to wait till the US session so we get more clarity. As I always say, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers, so clarity is more important for us. You need to focus on quality trades, not quantity. You need to make money for yourself, not for a broker. And right now gold needs to break 294243 area to continue the upside, but chances of market going above 294243 is very less. Okay, let's wait and watch. And during the US session we don't have any major event or news, so we can expect the present market sentiment to dominate, and stay in touch with the news. Any news from Donald Trump's office will bring a lot of craziness to the market again. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.